Simplicity, clean lines, functionality, and modern home furnitures. When designing a Scandinavian home, these are the features to look out for. Shades of white and neutral color tones create a calm and relaxed atmosphere. Simple details and proper lightings make it easy on the eyes. Careful space management creates a decluttered living space, even enough for a recreational room. This 5-room features a mixture of new and old. Traditional Peranakan tiles for the bathroom, white subway tiles for the kitchen backing. In this modern Scandinavian design, less is definitely more. My name is Alex, Swiss Interior.